Hello, welcome to the organic chemistry lecture part of the course Chemistry 2 for the spring semester 2020 at the University College in Utrecht. And as you know, the format is a little bit different than what we all anticipated at the beginning of the spring semester. And we are not going to have in-person lectures anymore and seminars, but we rather have to do something else because of the coronavirus. We cannot meet in person anymore, so we need to do something else with this. And my plan for the organic chemistry lecture for now is that I'm gonna give or record video lectures for you. So we're gonna talk about basically all the contents of the course, and that then you can watch these videos whenever you want. And also at the rate that you want, and you can recap as much as you want. And then you can also use the book, Chemistry Cubed, that we are using. And with that, you can basically access all the content that we would otherwise discuss, like in the in-person lecture. And on top of that, I will also record commented screencasts for the solution of the selected end of chapter questions for each topic that we're gonna discuss. So you can then after you have worked on the lecture and on the content, of course, you can start to exercise with these end of chapter questions that are also available in the book. And then once you're done, or once you get stuck with a question, then you can have a look at the video and also at my comment and solution and what I would expect, or how I would solve this question if you would encounter this question. And the topic of the organic chemistry part in this lecture you can see on screen here. Let me change that into a laser pointer so it's easier to see. We are going to talk about the chapters 21, 22, and 23. So that's alkenes and alkanes and the electrophilic addition reactions. We are going to talk about benzenes and other aromatic components and their respective electrophilic substitution reactions, because that's substantially different from what we've seen in chapter 21 then. And we're going to talk about carbonyl components, so that's aldehydes and ketones, and how they react with different other agents or substrates. But for now, I would like to use this video lecture series to first recap from what you've seen in the introduction to chemistry course. And these are mainly the chapters 5, 18, and 19. And we are going to talk about a little bit about the basics that you should be familiar with. It's important to stress that this is only a recap, so whenever you have any questions or not quite sure, I refer you to, of course, the book chapters, but also to your prior notes from your previous lecture that you've all taken, so that you can recap this here. So this is just like a quick recap.